Missing or broken fence post caps can seriously mess up your fence by letting water in and causing the wood to rot faster. So, if you notice your fence post caps are gone or busted, first thing is to grab some replacement caps that fit your fence style and size. This helps keep water out. You can find plastic or metal caps that snap on or screw in, which makes things way easier. Before putting on new caps, check if the top of the posts are dry and not already rotting. If they are, give them a quick sanding to smooth out any rough spots. Use some waterproof wood glue or exterior grade adhesive to keep the cap secure so it doesn't fly off in the wind. It also helps to apply a sealant or wood preservative on the top of the posts just in case water tries to sneak in around the edges. Regularly peep your fence, especially after storms, and replace any damaged caps right away so your wood doesn't start breaking down. If you're dealing with old posts that are already soft, think about swapping them out before putting new caps on. No point patching something that's already toast. Doing this simple stuff can seriously extend the life of your fence and save you from costly repairs later on. One of the biggest mistakes with fence post caps is ignoring missing or broken caps, which leads to water penetration and wood rot. Fix it by swapping out caps as soon as you spot them missing. Another problem is using the wrong size or type of cap, so always measure your posts and pick caps designed for outdoor use and proper fit to avoid gaps where water can get in. Lastly, not sealing around the caps or failing to maintain your fence regularly lets moisture sneak under the cap and cause damage. Make sure to use sealant and check your fence every few months so you catch problems early. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle fence repairs and replacements. For contractors, it is a solid way to get work from homeowners who need help with projects like fixing fence post caps and stopping wood rot.